been telling this for so many times, in many occasions. Even after having won the MP election, we don't want to confront with the state government as far as the interests of the state and people is concerned. We will cooperate, which is why our MP is so actively involved, visiting places and take up many issues with the central government. Not to confront with the state government. So it's up to the state government. If they want to confront us, we are ready. But we don't want to confront. We want to work together for the development of the state, for the interests of the people of the state. We may have differences during election on principal matters, right? But when we come to governance, we don't want to create any problem. Or this is not a fight between VPP against NPP. It is a fight of principles and issues. So now the people have voted us to power, so we will just carry on our duty, not to confront anyone. But if someone stand the way, we have to fight.
Tang namar bapenmi ya ke video bakaran ubar dan hakawai ke video hakilat patai kubor ke ba ulaong ban nakaliang jong ka BBP kam kwa banile persya yeno ka kwa ban trelang bat ka sarkar na kamta ka jing bha paiba penban kidon kato kerne ki bru ki bala berngam ban IFIR ka channel kida ongru la da om dilit hapo ka laisngi sausngi kinle ke aka ka bom sultanat berngam kini ki bru kila ongru hana ngalah lamler ni kwa penprah jaj benreu harai nak liang kejonga ngam don kum kata ke jengmut ban kenthok ino harai kadai ke video bawa ardan ukran ngasak penmi ya kadai ke video kumbah borok kibala youtuber kia penmi lada don kono ke video ke bakham pula what's ngoe ngahab ban peni ya ki komen jong kini ki breu kibala berngem berkomen klamakor kebom iya hapsyu ka burom ka akor jungi kusi kwa pat ban keli jeng keli ya kitu ki breu ki bakwa ban berngem tang yu pra kasih khara ban beng ban kho yu pradok prasnam atau kla berngem se ban IFIR yu tu khar ubala kran insol hapo ying mane hak snong molenong kabolo kran da kitu ki kentin Jai Shri Ram hapo ka ying
Jai Shri Ram. राम सिया की करण कहानी एक है चंदन एक है पानी राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम सिया राम जय जय राम
atau bisa berngem ban IFIR ya ki khar ndu ki balai le persya ya ka dor bersnong mo senram ne pinang tang ban wodaw yo prado prasnam habakum gitu ki dikhar belawan ban le persya ya ki senong mo senram dak balai jubor ban le ban rung ban mane ya ka kajaka to ban perlong kajaka mane blai hato pla don ban ong hato pla berngem ban IFIR ki ne pi kwa tang ban wodaw yang yu para kasi para khara produk persnam jong lajong ngalasngau kumbang lalek kampalat manga bannya gitu ki kharpu ki nong wei ki nong ar ki balawan penjem rengeu ya ka kasi jantia ka jongi da ka bakila thombor ya ka suk kasan ka jongi kasi te hato dei ka jeng bakla jonga ne dei ka jeng bakla jong pi to jit to dakar ya ka ka ba pinkran ka ka ba pinong ne ben berngam hak landat ne yau parado prasnam kamlong ka babha henry to phai khmat chwa ya kiwei kinong wei kinong ar ki bakre ban wan ban buhai snong ban le don bor ya ka jaka ka jongi hang ne kata ka de ka hok lada phi berngam ban IFIR henry nga kwa ya kini ki breu ki ba berngam ban IFIR tangna banta ba ka penmi ya ka video bakran ba ardan bat kumjuro kini ki breu ki ba komen da ka si da ka sang ki ba la tim la tla ka ba om ila shu ban priang apa page kimen ya ki komen ke jongki kumta bakin mi syakhamat ban berngem bat IFIR kini ki khar kumju khamtam yu kini ki bala penthobria ya ka rikasi ke jongi hakar kom ngej blai bat kumju ru ki bala kre ban thombor ya ka sinong musunram banile persya ban perlong jaka mane blai ya ka tai ka mo jumbuñ ngar kerpat kini ki breu makin mi syakhamat berle na kum tajuk ni ki jaj beriu ki khlak jaj ki bala penab jing ma ya kari kasi ke jongi tang kini khubla shibun